warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Antika Nasution. I'm college student from Mathematics Education Study Program at State University of Medan. In the first video, I will explain about the topic development of numeral system. We know in the third video before, I explained about definition of numeration system, right? And various of numeration system, but in this part video I will explain about the development of the various of numeration system that I have explained in general in the third video. Okay guys, let's check it out. Okay guys, do you know what is the first numeral system used was? One of the first numeral system used was the torus system. This system used the stick symbol to represent a number. This torus system development is used to record the score of a game sport matches. For example, as we know, 3 sticks are symbols that represent the same number of 3. And the second, more or less in 3000 BC, there is an ancient Egyptian numerical system. This is one of the pioneer and system summation recorded in history is more or less 3000 BC. And then, post on Egyptian times, more or less 650 BC, written on papyrus from Papu is a kind of plants or on parchment white skin. Ancient Egyptian writing is often called hieroglyphic writing. The ancient Egyptian numeral system was additive, where the value of a number was the sum of the value of its symbol. The symbol in the Egyptian system can be placed in any order, so to represent the same number can be written in several ways. In other words, the Egyptian system does not recognize place value. In our system, 56 is different from 65, right? We can see the system use symbol in the form of image beside. So guys, for example, you can see the picture beside. Nah, from the example beside, we know that the symbol 333 in ancient Egyptian numerical system symbol was additive, where the value of a number was the sum of the value of its symbol. Because it can be seen 333 symbol is additive of 300 symbol additive, 3 symbol additive, 30 symbol additive, 3 symbol. As well as the second example, beside that the additive can be do as the picture beside. And the third, more or less in 2000 BC, there is Babylonian numerical system. At that time, people wrote number with a piece of wood on tables made of clay or clay tables. Babylonian script or numeral are often referred to as cuneiform because they are shaped like nails. The Babylonian word cuneiform using an elongated triangular shaped stick. By tapping it on a wet slab of earth to produce a tapered triangular basin resembling a nail. Unlike the ancient Egyptian system, the Babylonian system prioritized position. The Babylonian numeral system did not have zero. They used space to indicate the absence of a number in a particular place value. Characteristic of the Babylonian numeral system: first, using base 60. Then use place value, use the symbol be like and be like. The symbol be like is used for represent 1 and the symbol be like for 10. Does not recognize the symbol 0. As we know, for murder to express 60 and 1 is written with the same symbol, namely, the difference between 60 and 1 is indicated by the presence of a rather large distance between the symbol. We can see the example as be like. And the form, more or less in 600 BC, there is ancient Greek system. The golden age of the ancient Greeks was estimated to have occurred in 600 BC. The Greeks had recognized letters and numbers which were marked by Greek writings on bark or metal so that the form of writing looked stiff and strong. As we know from the third video, there are two kinds of ancient numeral system, right? Ancient Greek Attic and Ancient Greek Alphabetic. First, Ancient Greek Attic. This numeral system developed around the 300 BC and are known as acrophonic number because the symbol came from the first letter of the words that represent the symbol. Fives, tens, hundreds, thousands, and tens of thousands. This writing was found in an area of Greek ruins called Antika. The Attic numeral system is represented simple, where the numbers 1 through 4 are represented by the symbol of a stick. In this numeration system, the symbol 0 does not yet exist. This numeration system is an additive and multiplicative numeration system. Multiplicative is seen in the use of symbol where each of the same basic symbol can be abbreviated by using the symbol. The picture beside shows the symbol in ancient Greek Attic. And the second, we know there is ancient Greek alphabetic, right? Alphabetic unions from Greeks have developed a number system, namely the Greek alphabetic itself, which consists of 27 letters. The base number they use is 10. Symbol used in the ancient Greek alphabetic numerical system can be seen in the picture. There are several rules of writing the ancient Greek alphabetic system as follows. First, number consists of 2 digits are done by adding the 10 digit with the 1 digit. And second, number consists of 3 digits are done by adding up the 100 digit with the 10 digit with the 1 digit. And the third, number consists of 4 digits or 1000 by putting an Asian sign. And the fourth, number consists of 5 digits or more by placing the corresponding number above the M sign. And the fifth, more or less in 600 BC, we know there is Maya numerical system. The writing or numbers developed by the Maya are very strange in shape, we know, in the form of small circle and line. The writing instrument he uses is a stick whose cross-section is cylindrical, so that by sticking the stick into the clay, it will leave a circle mark, or by placing the stick so that it leaves a line. We know there are characteristics of the Maya numerical system. First, using base 20, recognize the symbol 0, written vertically. The Maya numeration system is based on 20 figesimal, which only use 3 symbols, namely the globular, bar, and dot system. A dot represents the value 1, the bar represents 5, and the rib represents 0. Symbol used in this system Maya as follows. And the fifth, we know more or less in 200 BC, there is Japanese-Chinese numerical system. The Chinese numeral system, called the steam system, has a place value developed around 230 BC. The Chinese use 3 number system, namely the Hindu-Arabic system, and the other 2 use local numeral called Dexi. As for Japan, it also uses the Chinese numeral system, although it differs in pronunciation. After the Japanese Empire began to influenced by Europe, the Arabic numeral system began to be used. In the Japanese number system, numbers are divided into groups of 4 digits. It's just that because of the influence of the Western world, numbers are always written with a 3-digit grouping of Western style. Symbol used in this system as follows. And we know next, they are more or less in 100 BC, that is Roman numerical system. The Romans use number for their calculation. Roman numeral are written in capital letters that corresponded to Greek thought. In ancient time, the ancient Roman used a spirit numbering system that was very different from the system numbering in area like today. Roman numeral only consists of 7 numbers with certain letter symbol, where each letter or symbol has a specific numbering meaning. Symbol used in this system we can see as follows. And next, this system is an adaptation of the Etruscan numeral. The use of Roman numeral persisted until the collapse of the Roman Empire around the 14th century and was later largely replaced by the Hindu-Arabic system. And the second, more or less in 300 BC until 750 AD, there is Hindu-Arabic numerical system. The Hindu in 300 BC are thought to have a head number using base 10 numbers, but they did not yet recognize the number 0. They began to use the place value system and recognize the number 0 is estimated to have occurred in 500 Masehi. The Hindu-Arabic numeration system used a place value system with a base of 10, which is influenced by the number of pinjar, namely 10. Derived from the Latin decim, which means 10, the system this numeration is often referred to as the decimal system, because they use a base of 10, right? For example, 492. For set of 100, 9 set of tens, to show 2-unit offset. This Hindu-Arabic numeration system has the following characteristic. First, using 10 kinds of number, namely 0 to 9, and 2 using the base 10 number system, 3 using the place value system, 4 using the addition and multiplication system. The Hindu-Arabic system originated in India around 300 BC and underwent many changes influenced by its use in Babylonia and Greece. It wasn't until about 750 AD that the Hindu-Arabic system developed in Baghdad. Historical evidence of this is written in a book by an Arabic mathematician named Al-Khwarizmi entitled Liber Algoritmi de Numeral Indorum. Okay guys, I think that's enough. My explanation today about the topic development of numeral system. If you have any suggestion, question or criticism, you can write in the comment column below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get the next video about the topic in history mathematics. See you next time in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.